Welcome to Your Moving Mind, where we talk about mindful movement, small habits that make you a better person, how to learn, change and grow, and how to express ourselves fully in body, mind and spirit. Your Moving Mind with your host, Michael Landau. The place to improve the world is first in one's own heart and head and hands, and then work outward from there. Robert Pirsig, Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. This book, Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance, was on my night table for quite a while. It was one of those books that transformed and shaped my young mind. That was many years ago. It was full of those moments where I said to myself, I never thought of it this way before. These are the moments in which something in you shifts. You think differently. You see the world differently. I was young. I was political. I was an idealist. I was fighting to make it a better world. I thought I could make my classmates see the light if I argued with them long enough. I'm less optimistic now, or maybe just more realistic about what I can do to change the world. Yet in some dark chamber at the back of my mind, I carry the idea that everything I do it to change the world. It's a little crazy, I know. Who am I to be changing the world, right? But I know that the only possible revolution will be a global shift of mindset. We will survive and hopefully reverse the damage we are doing in time only by transforming the way we see the world and our place in it. And this is something that happens in people's minds. It happens in my mind. Therefore, it's doable. I can transform the way I think, feel, perceive, and create my reality. And I can try and help more people do the same. This is my role. This is my revolution. And this is how I change the world. Maybe this is what makes getting up in the morning worthwhile. Why I don't fall into a deep depression and just giving up. I'm thinking about doing that once in a while. I read this book 40 years ago. The place to improve the world is first in one's own heart and head and hands, and then work outward from there. Okay, so I'm a bit slow, but this is what I do now. I try to improve myself, and when I have some clarity, I try to help others do the same. We are changing the world if we improve ourselves in a way that we become the future humans. The humans that take care of the planet, of the community, and of themselves. This is my only hope, really, for us, for the future of my daughter. This is where we're going, I hope. And the only sensible way to do it is starting with our hearts, heads, hands, and then work outward from there.